Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the eBay business. This is going to be a great week because the wife is officially joining the eBay business and YouTube channel, so you'll see clips of her later on in this video. She's decided to post a couple of things on Facebook Marketplace in addition to more on her eBay account, so she'll be around more, like either in the background or sometimes she'll be in a video. We decided to try to pre-pack some of the items that we have listed on eBay just to make things a little bit easier for us when they actually sell. So I'm going to show you guys a Frankenbox that I actually made for one of the items that's going on the wife's profile. Oh, and for the record, we will be referring to her as the wife because we both don't want to use real names on YouTube as of right now, so she's going to be called the wife for future reference. So I just cut up a bunch of cardboard and made myself a customized box just so I could put this thing that my wife is selling in there. So let me just show you guys how it works. I have this nice little flap on the side. So I'm just gonna slide that in through there because this thing is made out of glass, evidently. All right, and just like that. And when we're ready, just close it up and add more tape. All right, so now that you guys saw the wonderful Frankenbox, let's get to today's orders. So we actually sold two things today. All right, so going on over here, I know that eBay space is a little crammed at the moment, but like I said, we are repackaging a bunch of stuff. That's why this is here. We're just getting some measurements of what the box and the overall weight is gonna be. So we're gonna be moving this back to the garage eBay space, but for right now, we've just been weighing and measuring. So that's why this clutter is here. So this is gonna be cleaned out. We finally have all of this stuff weighed out and listed, so we're gonna be transporting that back out to the garage. So today, we just finally sold this Iwata, I think you wanna call it, Iwata airbrush. So like I said before in an earlier video, I picked this up at the bargain bin. If I remember, I'll try to link it up at the very top of the video so you guys could check it out if you want to. So got this at the bargain bin. Let's see how much it weighs so I could give you a decent guess at how much we paid for it. It's hard to tell because at the bargain bins, each ounce costs about like $2. So this only weighs like about 6 ounces. So we could fairly say that we got this for either 50 cents to $1, around that range. So pretty steep. And we sold this for $55 and the buyer paid shipping. So really good profit on this one. Definitely keep an eye out for airbrushes. Now, I had a friend take a look at this and he does airbrush work. So he took a look at this and he cleaned it out for me and verified that all the pieces are in there. We were not able to test it out because he didn't have the proper component to hook this up to his airbrush compressor, I think is what you want to call it. So very happy about this sale and it was a really good flip for me. All right, so the next thing we sold was another pocket knife. So let me just get it out of the pocket knife bin. We actually sold, it was the blue one. All right, so let me just put that out. Close it up a little bit. All right, so sold this utility folding knife mechanism multi-tool. I'm not sure what you really want to call this, but we sold this. And it came in that bundle of pocket knives, and I bought the whole box for, let's see here, I want to say $37 or $38, and in the previous episode I already sold two of them for $10 each, so 20 bucks. We sold this for 29, so we made all of our money back on that set. So anything else that we sell from that set is going to be pure profit from here on out. We already made about a $10 profit just from selling this in addition to the other two folding utensil sets. So very awesome, very happy about this sale, and I will definitely be purchasing more of them in the future. All right, so we're gonna package these two items and get them ready for shipping. Just fold it up so that it's not gonna puncture the box or anything like that. All right, so for these two items, we're just gonna throw them in poly bags because that'd be the perfect fit for these two items. Now, I bought these on Amazon and I got a box of 250 of these for a little over $20. So I'll leave a link to that in the description below if you guys want to sell a few smaller items. They work for basically like, video games, a bunch of smaller items like these, and I even use them to put boxes in. So it's gonna work very well for this purpose here. So I'm gonna be putting in the airbrush. Next thing is gonna be the folding knife / spoon. Pretty easy, we're just gonna chuck it on in there. And even though I only have 2 items to ship today, I still like to mark the items and indicate what it is. Not that I think I'll mix these 2 up, but just for my own sake and getting into the habit of being a little bit more organized. So we have the brush here and we have the folding set. So pretty sweet stuff. Now we just have to weigh the items. So let's go see how much the brush weighs with the packing and everything. All right, it's already on. All right, so the brush weighs 6.7 ounces. Wow, you guys can't see that. So we'll round this up to 8 ounces here. So pretty light item here. So pretty light item and pretty expensive item. So next we're gonna do the folding knife here. Slap that onto there. Let's see if we get a better focus this time. All right, why is that doing that? 4.9 ounces, basically 5. So again, another item that we're going to be rounding up to 8 ounces. So pretty sweet, 2 very light items, and going to be shipping these out tomorrow. All right, it is a different day and we actually sold 2 things today, one on my wife's profile and one on my profile. Yesterday, we also had a Facebook Marketplace pickup. We sold, well, actually my wife sold some candles on the Marketplace for $20. So I have that listing on the screen now, and just a straight $20 profit. We had some leftover wedding materials from when we got married. And sorry if you could hear that strange high pitched noise. That's actually just the water softener. So we're just gonna have to record through that because I'm trying to package these items quickly. So one of the first things we sold is this pair of American Eagle jeans. We sold this on my profile. I actually had this pair of jeans for a little bit and accepted a best offer for $750. So was able to get that moving and the buyer paid shipping. And we also sold another pair of American Eagle jeans. Now this one sold on my wife's profile. Obviously her picture looks a lot better than the picture that I took for my listing. So we were able to sell this for $15.99 and the buyer paid shipping. So very happy about both of these sales, and we're just gonna throw them in poly bags and get them to the post office. All right, guys, so we're at the post office right now. I just thought I'd bring the camera out for a little bit of outside of the house action. So I'm filming inside my car. So the packages are right here and we're gonna take them over there. Pro tip, a lot of post office locations, there'll be a spot where you guys could just drop off packages like after hours. The slot is kind of small, so that's why it only works for like smaller packages, obviously. So let's just drop them off. All right, so we are back in the original eBay space, and my wife just sold something today. It was actually that dish type of thing that I showed you, I think in the beginning of this video or last week's video. So let's get that item. So here we have a couple items that are already pre-packaged, like I said we were gonna start doing, and this is the item that sold today. This sold on my wife's profile. It was this huge dish thing that's basically kind of like a platter and it rotates. There's a proper name for it, but I'm not exactly sure what it's properly called. So we're gonna have to put some bubble wrap on this item and get it shipped off. So I'm just gonna put the camera down. All right, so we're gonna figure out a way to get this properly protected in addition to, all right, is it the glass part? All right, that's the glass part. Actually, they're both glass parts. So we're just gonna wrap it all the way around here. There we go. And every 12 inches for this bubble wrap, it is already ripped. So we're just gonna rip that piece off like that. So we're just gonna put some on the corresponding side here. And where is that rip? There it is. All right, get its box that we're just gonna put the item back in. Put it on in there. So it'll be nice and snug. All right, so definitely will not be moving around that much. So we're just gonna go in to the house. Just duct tape this piece together and it'll be good to go. And today I have with me the missus.
Hello.
So this is the first video that she is going to be a part of, and this is also the first video I'm releasing since we got 10,000 subscribers. So I just purchased this box this past week. It's a box of multi-tools that we're going to be listing on the eBay account, and she's going to open it. You got it, you got it. All right, so all together paid $36 or $37 for this box of multi-tools, and we're just going to go through seeing what types of brands that we have and seeing how much profit we can make. So let's see here. We have to count to see how many we actually have, but you could already see a couple of different brands here. Ozark Trail, that one I recognize already. Let's see here, just a bunch of different ones. So all right, let's get to it. It's all right. So we're gonna be looking through a couple of these things here and try to figure out where the best place to put this would be. Right here we have the Ozark Trail multi-tool. It looks pretty dense, so I'll assume that could go for, oh wow. Wow, these are actually, did you get that out of one of the cases?
No,
or is it just?
This was just by itself. I don't see a brand on it. Just a generic multi-tool.
I guess
but it looks like it's well made.
Yeah, we could list that like as like an unbranded one, because it feels pretty much like this. Like pick this one up.
Yeah.
I mean, all right, let me just see how much these things weigh. Okay, so these dense ones, they weigh about a little over 8 ounces. So we're probably gonna list them at like 12 ounces when we're putting the listings up. This one doesn't have the saw that one has.
Yeah, the saw's pretty cool.
How do I close this? Okay, there we go.
I feel like
So I'm gonna look up.
in handy camping or something.
Look up some unbranded multi-tools and see what listings you could find. Okay, so the Ozark Trail ones doesn't look like they're doing that great. Probably about like $4 plus shipping. So we have what, like 2 of those?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Okay, it looks like 2 of them
I
sold
don't know
for.
that this one's exactly the same though.
Oh, that one's different. Oh, that one's silver.
It's a little bit different. A little one like this with a case went for $329. This one might be better in a lot.
This one.
Not finding a brand, but it looks like it has a lot of little, like this one has a scissors. Check it out.
Oh, look at that.
Little scissors.
That's gonna be fun for some people. Yeah, that's true. We need to look through all of the actual tools at some point to see
Well, I
if
feel
there's
like when we
anything
post
useful.
them, we would put like a picture of all the tools out, right?
Yeah, for sure.
A little knife and a screwdriver. Oh, this one has a flashlight.
Does it work?
Moment of truth. How do you even make it work? Like, I don't understand. There's no button or anything.
You just twist it
But when
to
you
get it
twist
tighter. To get it tighter.
It's already tight. They left it on.
Ah, idiots. Oh, okay, here we go. Look, that's pretty close. $9 free shipping.
Okay, yeah.
Combat.
I think that's the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Cool.
Here we go. That's how we could like advertise the small ones. Compact
Compact.
folding
Yes.
multi-tool.
That's a positive way of saying maybe too tiny to never do anything with.
I like it. I like that verbiage though.
Compact.
Yes, the compact multi-tools.
Wait, this one was unbranded.
What do you think you're gonna do with the eBay business moving forward, since you're actually gonna start trying to buy more stuff?
I think I'm hoping to make it like a part-time income in hopes of someday being like a full-time stay-at-home mom, or at least mostly full-time. Thinking about having children in the next couple of years here, so.
Yeah, we're thinking about having kids probably, or trying to have kids next calendar year. And at that point, we pretty much worked out the numbers that around $1,000 to $1,500 a month is what needs to be done from like eBay, YouTube, Amazon affiliate links, that type of stuff. So if we can make around 200 to 350 a week with like YouTube and all of that stuff I just mentioned, we'd be perfectly fine. We're planning on having 2 kids and then fostering to adopt however many that comes across our doorstep, I guess. Up to 7 kids total. That's it. We're done after that.
The limit is 7.
Just 7. So that's our video. We have 37 multi-tools that we're going to try to sell over the next couple weeks.
We've confirmed that this is probably not going to be the big moneymaker.
Right. But we're going to continue.
What a fun venture.
We're going to continue trying to buy more boxes on the auction site. Next time we're going to try for switchblades or fixed blades. But what?
Are switchblades the ones that are illegal?
Oh, not switch.
I don't know.
Pocket knives. Pocket knives.
Pocket knives.
Pocket knives is what I'm looking for. So pocket knives or fixed blades. We'll see. We'll see where we're going. But we're gonna try to hit a lot of thrift stores and garage sales in the near future to help you pick up a couple more things. And any final words?
See ya.
That's it.